Check out this Ram 2019 1500 Bighorn Lone Star. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Delmonico red pearl coat, 3.92 rear axle ratio, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, wheels, 20-inch X9 aluminum chrome clad, quick order package 25Z Bighorn Lone Star included, engine 5.7 LV8 Hemi MDS VVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, steering wheel mounted audio controls, black deluxe cloth bucket seats included, power 8-way driver seat center console parts module bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat full-length floor console power 4-way driver lumbar adjust gross vehicle weight, 100 pounds, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, and remote start system. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one.